Good evening, UK. It's Friday and we are back with Jammu and Kashmir radio session. This is Lalit, your RJ, along with RJ Shafalika.
Hello, Lalit, and good evening to all the listeners.
Very good evening. What we want to do today, while we take you through the beautiful songs of the region of Jammu and Kashmir, we want to talk a little bit about our regions. So, as you know, Jammu region is known as the city of temples. So we thought, why not discuss about some of the temples of Jammu and Kashmir? So as I start about the Dogri songs, I will talk to you about some of the temples, famous temples of Jammu region, and some not so famous temples. So the first temple I talk about today is called the Panch Bhaktar Mandir. Is one of the oldest temple where the lingam appears in self-manifest form. It's also called Aap Shambhu. A revered shrine in Jammu, it is also known by other mysteries. Adi Shankaracharya, during his visit to Jammu, had stayed here. While it is also believed that it was found during the 14th century in the reign of Raja Maldev. It is also believed that Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited in 1514 this temple. So with this, I will play the first Dogri song for the evening, which is called Aa Sajna Tuji Jammu Di Gall Suna.
आ सजना तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना हिंदू रौंदे मुस्लिम भी रौंदे सिख न रौंदे ईसाई भी रौंदे रौंदे बनिए परा तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना सारे रौंदे बनिए परा तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना गंगा बगदी उतर वेनी तविया बगदी जम्मू मातानी गंगा बगदी उतर वेनी तविया बगदी जम्मू मातानी रियासिया बगदा चना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना रियासिया बगदा चना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना शादरा शरीफ दिख बाबा गुलाम शाह दिख नंगाली साहब जाइए पुंशा शादरा शरीफ दिख बाबा गुलाम दिख नंगाली साहब जाइए पुंछा कटड़े वैष्णु मां तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना कटड़े वैष्णु मां तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना शिव खोड़ी च शिवें दा वासा जम्मुआं पार बावे आली माता शिव खोड़ी च शिवें दा वासा जम्मुआं पार बावे आली माता खनूर च पांडू गुफा तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना खनूर च पांडू गुफा तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना बासमती नवें शहरा दी खाई कलाड़ी उधमपुरे दी बासमती नवें शहरा दी खाई कलाड़ी उधमपुरे दी पदरवा दे राजमा तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना पदरवा दे राजमा तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना लस्सी टोडा अंबल ते माणी खंड क्यूर ते नाड़ू में दा पानी लस्सी टोडा अंबल ते माणी खंड क्यूर ते नाड़ू में दा पानी ठंडी ठंडी बोड़िया दी छां तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना ठंडी ठंडी बोड़िया दी छां तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना हिंदू रौंदे मुस्लिम भी रौंदे
Thank you, Lalit. That's a very nice song. I think that today we'll be talking about all the temples and religious places, of which we have many. Jammu, of course, is a city of temples, but in Kashmir also there are a lot of temples. We have discussed a few important ones, I think a few months back.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of very small temples which are hidden away in small villages, in towns. But for the local inhabitants, they hold so much value. But the temple I'm going to talk about first is very important because it's been in the news recently. Because it was opened after 31 years, as the listeners might know, there is an insurgency going on in Kashmir. So most of the temples have been closed, but this one has just been reopened, so I'm really excited about it. temple is called Sheetalnath, Sheetleshwar Sheetalnath temple, and it's from a temple which started which has its history even in prehistoric period. It started as a famous lake known as Lard Mud, and then over time, Nilmad Purana, which is a very old text, it mentions that on the banks of the lake, this temple was started in prehistoric times. A sacred sacred annual ceremony is held or used to be held every year, and but for 31 years that wasn't held, and now it has reopened again. So it is a very historic temple of great national and spiritual importance. It is dedicated, sorry, I forgot that, obviously dedicated to Sritanath Bhairav. One of the names of Shiva is Shitleshwar. So this temple is dedicated to Sritanath Bhairav. And it is considered the abode of Shitleshwara Bhairava, one of the many incarnations of Lord Shiva. So that is what I wanted to tell you. It's a historical day for Kashmir. A temple has been reopened after so many years. So let's listen to Kashmiri song. It's not a bhajan or anything. It's just an ordinary romantic song, and the sung by Deepali Rajan, a very famous Kashmiri singer. And after that, we'll keep talking about more temples and historical places in Jammu and Kashmir.
छस बंगर गरम चान लोल रे चान लोल रे तशन छस दरवाग बिहित सरविरवानो सरविरवानो ला सरविरवानो मैं हजोय अशकनी आब बरम चान लोल रे चान लोल रे मैं हजोय अशकनी आब बरम चान लोल रे चान लोल रे शनिदार सन सज बंदर गरम चान रोज दमा रोज दरम
A nice, soothing, romantic Kashmiri number. We have always liked the voice quality of Dipali Watalji. She's a great singer, and the unique thing is that she's a guy who's telling to the girl that I ride a bullet. It's like a motorbike, and I do full attitude, and I wear black glasses, goggles, and all about style. But before we listen to Ik Main Bullet Rakhna, let's talk about another famous temple of Jammu region. It's called the Radha Rukmani Krishna Mandir. This Radha Rukmani Krishna temple is over 300 years old. It is second in India and the only North Indian temple of its kind where an idol of Rukmani, who's the wife or the consort of Krishna, placed next to Radha and Krishna. Usually you have temples of only Radha and Krishna, but the uniqueness of this temple is that there is Rukmaniji's idol also next to Radha Krishna, and it is located at Ramtalai. It is located in Ramtalai. Yes. So let's listen to the song.
हान ने मेरी ये मैं पूरी टोर बनानी, हान ने मेरी ये मैं पूरी टोर बनानी। एक मैं बुलेट रखना, एक मैं बुलेट रखना, दुआ काली ऐनक पानी। हान ने मेरी ये मैं पूरी टोर बनानी, हान ने मेरी ये मैं पूरी टोर बनानी। हान ने मेरी ये असई कै काल जय जाना, हान ने मेरी ये असई कै काल जय जाना। बस विच तके बजदे, बस विच तके बजदे, असई अपने बुलेट पर जाना। हान ने मेरी ये असई कै काल जय जाना। हान ने मेरी ये तू की पाड़े दी सैर करानी, हान ने मेरी ये तू की पाड़े दी सैर करानी। ठंडी ठंडी बात चुलदी,
ठंडी ठंडी बाचुलदी कन्न बगदा नाड़ुए दा पानी हान ने मेरी ये तू की पाड़े दी सैर करानी हान ने मेरी ये तू की पाड़े दी सैर करानी हान ने मेरी ये दम चल जाए असमेल हान ने मेरी ये दम चल जाए असमेल एक ऐसे टोला छुटना एक ऐसे टोला छुटना कन्न पक दे की उर बड़े मेल हान ने मेरी ये दम चल जाए असमेल हान ने मेरी ये दम चल जाए असमेल
Another lovely song, thank you, Lalit. So, as we continue our talk on temples in Jammu and Kashmir, I am reminded of a very famous temple. It's called Dantakyar. It's dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Now, Ganesha is a very important deity. All things start with praying to Ganesha. So, this temple is especially important. It's also 2200 years old, which again makes it a landmark temple, and it's in the heart of Srinagar, and it's considered the most famous Ganesh temple of the whole valley. Interestingly, it's said that the Chinese traveler Yun Sang, who was a great Buddhist monk as well, he has lived in that area, and in his books there is a mention of this temple as well, so you can imagine how old temple is. So while growing up, I remember it used to be a bustling temple, and all the ladies, they used to go, with this lota of water every morning. All grandmothers, our mothers, aunts, they used to go first thing in the morning and pay obedience to Lord Ganesha. And there were lots of bhajans. So it was a very full and vibrant temple dedicated to Ganesha. So, obviously the things changing with the insurgency, it's fallen a bit on the wayside. But I'm sure with time, like all other temples that are being restored, this one will also be restored. So because it was in the heart of the city, so what was done, the main shivling, which was based in the temple, it was taken away to the outskirts of the city and to another temple so that people could continue praying. So let's now go to another Kashmiri song by Ghulam Hussain Sofi. We have played many of his songs in this program, but this one is a very yeah. So let's go on and keep listening to nice songs.
खजर तई बर गई छास ससर बुच यम्बुरजल वेर बुम्बुरनी गई समोसी आवाज बजिनो वेर बुम्बुरनी गई समोसी आवाज बजिनो चाय बरतर राज महाराजी साहिबो लगई चानी पदरास जनुची मई नूरान चो साहिबो लगई चान कदरास जनुची मई नूरान चो चान नूर छुम तलबियसी आवाज बजिनो चान नूर छुम तलबियसी आवाज बजिनो चान बरतर राज महाराजी बोल बोली मई पखियास गोल कोटा संसारन बोल बोली मई पखियास गोल कोटा संसारन कमन सूरतन गसान्यसी आवाज बजिनो कमन सूरतन आवाज बजिनो चाल बरतल राज महाराजी यार कुलथस आरई काच खाल तो थम गुलाबो यार कुलथस आरई काच खाल तो थम गुलाबो मसवल छस इंद्रे हासी आवाज मसलल छस निंद्रे हासी आवाज बजिनो चाय बरतल राज महाराजी बरी मई सारी नामास खन साहिबो आहमजा कंज बरी मई सारी नामास खन साहिबो आहमजा अदनाव प्योम नलल मोसी आवाज बजिनो अदनाव प्योम नलल मोसी आवाज बजिनो चाय बरतल राज महाराजी घर कढनम सारी जमात Sariraçım vatnavan Gari kadınım sarı cemaat Sariraçım vatnavan And kanichas mand çemozi Avaz vazinu And kanichas mand çemozi Avaz vazinu Çay bartal ralim harasi Mahmuda dünya साथ साथ पर इस्तेगफार महमूदा दुनिया साथ साथ पर इस्तेगफार कोई समखो कयामोसी आवाज वसीनो कोई समखो कयामोसी आवाज वसीनो चान बरतल राम रोसी आवाज.
Another nice number for Ghulam Hasan Sufi ji with so much. He uses very less instruments and simplicity is one of his key and beautiful songs. So the next temple of Jammu I am going to talk about is called Radhe Shyam Mandir and it is commonly known as Billo Mandir. Billo Mandir is located at Panchtirthi. It's one among the 5 temples in Panchtirthi. The idea of constructing this temple was conceived by Maharaja Gulab Singh, the first emperor of Jammu and Kashmir. The presiding deities of the Billo temple are goddess Radha and Lord Krishna. The story behind the name of this temple is also quite unique. The first priest of this temple had light-colored eyes, cat-eyed, and the kids from the vicinity amusingly used to call him Billu, which means like cat-eyed. He serviced the temple for over 40 years and the temple got famous by his name in locals. It is believed that Billo Mandir has some magical energy. The priest said that during British rule, whenever the enemy's army tried to fire at or walk up to this place, their vision used to get blurred, due to which they did not succeed in their plans. So those are the magical powers and beliefs of this mandir. The next song I'm going to play is also a new Dogri song. It's called Ni Jana Chanda and it's been sung by Naveen Sharma. It's been written by, Dr. Naveen Sharma. He's a beautiful singer and it's been written by Lalit Mangotra ji, who is one of the famous Dogri writer, and the music has been given by Brij Mohan sir, who is a famous composer of Jammu region. So all in all, 3 masterpiece people working at this one masterpiece. It's a beautiful number.
मैंने जाना चांदा राती दिनेरी बुखली च मैं नहीं जाना चाहता राती दिनेरी बुकली च मैं नहीं जाना चाहता राती दिनेरी बुकली च एक इसले दे ठंडे सूरज आंगर एक इसले दे ठंडे सूरज आंगर मैं नहीं जाना चाहता राती दिनेरी बुकली च मैं नहीं जाना चाहता नहीं जाना चाहता नहीं जाना चाहता एक जलदे बलदे सूरज आंगर मैं एक जलदे बलदे सूरज आंगर डुबना चाहना समुंदर दी छाती च डुबना चाहना समुंदर दी छाती च अपने छपा के कन्ने शमाना गी छूंदियां लहरां ठोआलदा मैं नहीं जाना चाहता राती दिनेरी बुकली च मैं नहीं जाना चाहता नहीं जाना चाहता नहीं जाना चाहता मैं नहीं मरना चाहता अपनियां सारियां हसरतां ते तांगा पूरियां करिए मैं नहीं मरना चाहता अपनियां सारियां हसरतां ते तांगा पूरियां करिए एक बेजान जन बट्टे आंगर जाने चाहिए मेरे कन्ने मेरे अरमान जाने चाहिए मेरे कन्ने मेरे अरमान मेरिया तांगा मेरिया हसरतां मेरिया तांगा मेरिया हसरतां ताजे मैं जिंदगी देखीर ले पल तक ताजे मैं जिंदगी देखीर ले पल तक जिंदगी गी तज दे बेलबी जींदा मैं जींदा जींदा मैं जींदा मैं नहीं जाना चाहता राती दिनेरी
Thank you for that another lovely song, Lalit. So I was thinking about which temple to discuss next, and suddenly I remembered a place called Pahalgam, and there used to be a temple near it. So the temple I'm going to talk about is in a place called Pandrethal. So in Kashmir, I'm sure in other places of the country also, the temples are very, very historic, and most of them are at least 2 to 300 years old. But this temple was erected by Nehru, who was the Minister of King Partha, who ruled Kashmir. Can you believe it? Between 921 to 931 AC. That's how old this temple is. And it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And because it was erected by Nehru, the temple was called Nehru Vardhana Swami. So that is it's about 4 miles from Srinagar on the way to the hills as you go to Pahalgam. It was, I believe, when King Ashoka was ruling, this place was his capital as well. So that is very interesting temple to discuss. But now it's not in a very great shape because I was looking at the pictures. It's so old. But still, when you look at if you search for it on Google, you can see the unique architecture. And considering how old the temple is, the roof is still intact, all the stones are still intact, and also the temple is very small. It's quite miniature as compared to other grand temples. It is very ornate, and there's a lot of structural symmetry in the temple. That is very interesting about this very old temple. So let's listen to another song while we keep discussing temples. This song is a duet sung by Naseem Akhtar Arad Dugan. Two very famous singers. They passed on now. They always used to, their voices, as you see, they kind of matched each other, so they used to sing a lot of duets and very popular ones.
पसाने म्यो साखिया वये प्रजा जानाने म्यो रोम गया मशे गुरी भगवान म्यो साखिया वये प्रजा जानाने म्यो रोम गया मशे गुरी भगवान म्यो साखिया वये प्रजा जानाने म्यो
Nice number by Raj Begum and Naseem Akhtar ji. Now, as we talk about another temple in Jammu region, it's called Ramtalai Mandir. This mandir is situated on Circular Road and it's very close to Rani Kaluri Devi Temple, which is another famous temple of Jammu. Now, it holds idols of Radha and Krishna, the main deities of this temple, and it also has beautiful gardens and ponds surrounding it. So it is quite a picturesque place, and it is nice and soothing atmosphere. Any temple has that, but this one especially because it has ponds around it and beautiful gardens. So one must visit this. Not much talked about Temple of Jammu. Now we're moving to my next Dogri song. This song I personally like a lot because it's very peppy and a young feel to it. It is a dancing number, and it talks about the Chamba region and many other things, and what is happening when they are climbing up the small mountains. So it's a beautiful number. I hope you'll enjoy. It's called Mere Hikde Mein Gadbad Hoi Balo.
मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो ओ चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो 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 मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो ओ छोटा देवर बड़ा टुट पैना बलो भाई पर आई है लड़ी पिया छोटा देवर बड़ा टुट पैना बलो भाई पर आई है लड़ी पिया ओ भाई पर आई है लड़ी पिया 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 मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो छोटी नंद ते वड्डी पर जाई बलो पानिया च गईयां दो जनियां छोटी नंद ते वड्डी पर जाई बलो पानिया च गईयां दो जनियां 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 मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो
ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਛਾਲੇ ਪਏ ਬਲੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਤਾੜਾ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਛਾਲੇ ਪਏ ਬਲੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਤਾੜਾ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਜੋ ਉਹ ਚੰਬੇ ਤਾੜਾ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਜੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਤਾੜਾ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਜੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਤਾੜਾ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਜੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਤਾੜਾ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਕੜੂ ਗੜਬੜ ਓਈ ਬਲੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਟੱਕੀਆਂ ਚੜਦੀ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਕੜੂ ਗੜਬੜ ਓਈ ਬਲੋ ਚੰਬੇ ਟੱਕੀਆਂ ਚੜਦੀ ਜੋ
So with this nice Dogri number, Pepi number, we are coming to the end of today's session where we talk to you about a lot of temples in Jammu as well as in Srinagar. The times are hard. We are thinking of God. We are praying to Him daily. Let us get over these times. We are now all tired. We are all now fed up of staying in this lockdown. We want the life to become normal, but before it becomes normal, it is required that we all take the precautions. We stay inside. We do not mix, and we protect ourselves and people around us by covering our face and by sanitizing our hands and not touching and mingling with others. So today I would like you to remember all these things, as I know you all are, but it is just a matter of fact that we have to reiterate it again and again. So next week we will be back with you with another session of Jammu and Kashmir with Dogri and Kashmiri beautiful numbers, and we will discuss something more. Maybe what do you say, Shafalika ji? Maybe talk about food of our region, because Jammu and
Yeah, I
Kashmir.
mean, there's so many things to discuss. We could discuss food. We have discussed some traveling places. There are still so many left. The objective of this program is to make the listeners aware of the uniqueness of each and every state of India. And our job is to bring all these things in this program so that people who are listening to it learn some new things about a different state of India. So we discussed temple. There are lots of things to discuss, and with that we sign off today, and see you all next time.
Good night and have a nice weekend.